Welcome to the Tricycle Creative YouTube channel, a place where I am constantly doing digital marketing and business growth videos. So if you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed. And if you're currently subscribing, thanks so much. So as I mentioned in this video, I'm talking to you about a huge Instagram update. It actually happened back in October, but you may not have noticed. I know some of you out there are solopreneurs, small business marketers. You may not be paying attention to all the little finite updates that happen on the social media apps. So that's why I'm here to talk to you about it. So this is the big update. It is huge. So Instagram has now allowed anyone to add links into Instagram stories. This is humongous. And I'm even going to show you how to do it in this video. So let's jump over to Instagram and I'll show you this update and walk you through how to use it. Okay, so as I mentioned, anyone can now add a link to Instagram. Now, you might think, well, yeah, haven't I always been able to do this? No. The only way that you could add link, and used to be swipe up in Instagram stories, was if you had, how many followers do you think? 500? 1,000? Okay, 5,000. It's got to be 5,000 or else. No, it was 10,000 followers. You had to have 10,000 followers to be able to add a link to swipe up on Instagram. Well, guess what? No more. You don't need that anymore. Okay, so I'm going to flip over to the Hello Tricycle account. I have no idea what I'm going to get. Oh, great. It's puppy videos. School of Rock. Hey, shout out to you guys. Okay, so let's swipe left to get into stories. Going to see this screen here. Let's flip it around, see my ugly mug. Hi. Okay, there we go. There's that mug. Double mugs. Okay, I'm going to go to stickers, top. And now you'll see there's a new sticker type. If you see it's on the 1, 2, 3, 4th row down, all the way on the right, link right here. So now you can add a link. So, sorry, it takes me a while here. Tricycle Creative.com, and then you can say customize the text. So I'll just put trike. Okay, hit done. So now you have added a link. You can size it and move it, and I'm gonna put it over my eyeballs like this. Okay, you can add a link into your Instagram stories. And there's no minimum followership. You don't need 10,000. You don't need 5,000. You need as many as you have to be able to do this. This is a game changer. And as I said below down here, this makes Instagram stories like 10 times more valuable, right? So if you've abandoned stories, this update might mean it's time for you to jump back in and check it out. If you're in the market for more digital marketing and business growth videos, consider subscribing to the Tricycle Creative channel. Check out some of our other videos. And if you found this video helpful, useful, give it a like.